Hey guys, this is Jack from Innovation Justice back again with another video. Today I am going to show you how to hack the HackTheBox Ypuffy machine. Let me start. First I am going to log in with the HackTheBox machine. If you don't know how to sign up this machine, you can watch my previous video for login HackTheBox machine. Because if you want to log in HackTheBox, you need an invite code. Okay, let me start. The machine was already retired. It's a Ypuffy, I think. Okay. The mission IP address is 10.10.10.107. I didn't get the user and root now. Okay, they also provide the write-ups also. If you have VIP access, you can use HackTheBox write-up. I have already connected with Open VPN, HackTheBox Open VPN. Let me start with Nmap -sc-sv 10.10.10.107. It will take some time. I have already run the Nmap script. I will show you that one. There is some port called 2280.139.389.445 port is open, but in LDAP we have some anonymous bind is open. Let me enumerate with the LDAP. I am using a Nmap script enumeration. I will show you LDAP script. Locate nmap-grep LDAP. Here you can see the Nmap script as nmap-script equal LDAP search, I think, yeah. LDAP search IP address 10.10.10.107. Yeah, we have to mention the port. The port is 389 and then 10.10.10.107. Here you can see bunch of DC and content, some etc. And also we can see the password list also. We got two username Bob8791, but we didn't see the password. In Alice 1978 we have the password, but it's a hash, it's an empty hash. Let me try with the SMB client -u Alice 10.10.107. Password is okay. Why it's not working? Okay, we mentioned has not password. That's why it's not working. Let me show you with the SMB client help command. Yeah, here you can see -fn pw -nt hash. That is the command we are using now. First Alice 1978. This is the username, and what is the hash? Copy the password hash, right? Okay, just copy this one. This is a hash. That's why we are using -pw -nt hash and -l host 10.10.107. Okay, why it's asking password? Yeah, I think I mentioned at the rate. That's why we have to mention percentage. Okay, let me start. Yeah, we got Alice and IPC percentage. Maybe I should try with Alice. Alice. Yeah, here we got SMB access. There is some file called my private key ppk. First I had to download the key using a get option. The file was downloaded. Let me find with what is the key. It's a putty user keychain file. It's first we have to install the putty tools. Then we have to decrypt the key using with the putty chain. Let me show you how I done this. It's a putty chain -help. We can use private open SSH option to export the private key, SSH private key. Putty chain -o for private key. -small o for output. And also, where is my ppk file? Yeah, here you can mention the ppk file. Yeah, okay, we got id key, and I'm going to change the permission to 600. Let me try with the SSH -i, the id key, and the username is Alice. Set Alice 1978 10 10 10 07. Yeah, who am I? See, we got a user access, and also we get the user.txt file also. Okay, then next part is privilege escalation, and in this Ypuffy, there are two ways to we can get privilege escalation. One for Openbsd 6.3 vulnerable, another one is doas vulnerable. First, I am going to do with the Openbsd privilege escalation. 6.3 privilege escalation. There is a vulnerable called XOR X11 server privilege escalation. I got this script from exploit.dp. Just copy this one. This is a bash script only. Just copy and okay. Here I am going to the temp folder. Just create some file called prv.sh. Okay, just paste this script. Okay, let me change the permission to full access 777. Okay, let me run the script. Yeah, okay. It will take 2 minutes to get root access. Let me go to the another way for getting the root permission. There are two ways. This is the second way to get the root access. Here some file called doas. It's like a sudo -l. It's like a sudo. I'll show you that one also. Let me find any interesting with the root. I think there is nothing. There is nothing at the root. Okay. Here anything good with IPR. There are two user Bob 8791 and user CA. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run doas with user CA. Users here we got a private and public key, but we don't have access to get the key. Yeah, here is the key. Do as it's like a sudo. Let me show you how we can use this tool using idz doas.config. Here is the Alice user have permission to run the user CA user with the SSH keychain, and I need a root password, root key, SSH keychain key. Let me show you how I get this. uh, First I am going to create a new SSH keychain for root user. Temp. Okay, we got SSH key and public key. SSH ID can't be. Here you can see some authorized command for getting the uh, trusted key. Let me copy this one. If I enter Alice, we got something. Alice now 1978. But if I enter root, we got some key. Okay, just copy this one also. Okay, let me go to the do as. Okay. Yeah, here you can see that first privilege escalation is worked. We got a root access. This command, here is the command. This -u. Okay, just copy this command. Paste here. DAS-u for user CA and the SSH key location and CA file location, and then with -i root -n for the key. Our created ID key also we mentioned. Okay, and I think we got signed root key also. Let me try with that key first. Here is the root key, SSH -i. I have to change the key file. ID key SSH -i ID key, and username is root 10.10.107. I think we got a root access, and also we got a root.txt file also. Thank you guys, thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. If you have any query about this video, please comment. Thank you guys, thanks for watching my channel. Thank you guys.